Yo, what's going on, people? It's been a long time since I've done a video. I'm in Poplar, East London, E14, Brabazon Street. That's what it's called. Alan's Kebabs and Burger. This is a place that I used to come to as a child. Like, I'm talking 20 or so years ago. Very, very long time ago. I used to come here after school. It will be a treat walking home from school. If I was lucky, mum would treat me to some Allen's kebabs and burgers, or fish and chips. They got a fish bar as well. They do fish and chips, kebabs, burgers. They do it all. Today I've got leaky napkins. Right, today I've got that's going everywhere. Okay, so today I got doner meat and chips and a battered sausage roll. Okay, doner meat and chips. Chili sauce on the chips. Salad looking fresh. They didn't give me a fork. But I got my own. Fork. Right, they ain't give me a fork. I've got my own fork. And let's just dive straight in. There's a lot of salad. Doner meat, a little bit of salad. It's a place I haven't been to in 20 or so years. Probably for good reason. I mean, let's look. Firstly, the doner is out of yes, they carve it, then they carve it, and then they put it into that tin. And I feel as if it's been in that tin, that heated tin, for too long. It's not. I can't get the freshness of the doner meat. I cannot taste the freshness of the doner meat. Well, it's just standard. Let's flip it over and get. I've got chili sauce on the chips, no garlic mayo. So let's look at. These are your proper chip shop or fish and chip shop style. They're your proper fish and chip shop style chips. The chips here are your like proper fish and chip shop style chips. Nice chunky potatoey. Nice chunky potatoey chips. It's lacking the crisp that I like in chips. Well, that's probably just because of how much chili sauce is on here. Ooh. The chili sauce, to be fair, is banging. Oh, these chips actually bring back memories. I can actually remember having these chips as a child. Probably not even the same people. Probably is. I don't know. I actually don't. I don't know. Do not know. Right. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying the chili sauce. I'm enjoying the chips. I actually, to be fair, despite the doner, which should be the star of the show, should be the main thing, I'm enjoying the chips and the chili sauce. Genuinely enjoying the chips and the chili sauce. Right. Always drink water. Still got the sausage roll. The battered sausage roll. Wow, that's greasy AF. Look at that sausage roll. It needs sauce. It's dry. It needs sauce. I don't know what meat it is. It's not pork. Halal. That's all I got told. I just got told it's halal. It's alright. It's alright. It's doner meat and chips cost me £6.50. This must have been £2 because all in all cost me £8.50. Quick math. Ketchup. Wow. Definitely needs ketchup. Very oily. Wow. That definitely needs some condiment to go with. Very oily, very dry. Okay, it's time. It's time for a score. Right, Alan's Kebab and Burger. I came here for the nostalgia. And I want to do another one. I'm going to go visit another place for the nostalgia as well. Not been here in about 20 or so years. Probably for a reason. It's not one of the best I've ever had. It's nowhere near one of the best I've ever had. Chances of me returning are slim, although I will probably come back for the chips and the chili sauce. Really enjoyed those. The kebab and sausage roll, not so much. I might come back for the fish, try the fish and chips, see how they are. I'll give it a 5.7 out of 10. It's not bad, it's not great. It's more on the average side. Anyway, that's my score of Allen's, fish and chips, Poplar, Brabazon Street. Peace out.